How to add music to your Instagram profile. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to add music to your profile on Instagram, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up your Instagram first and you can head over to your profile in the bottom. Once your profile piece appears, this is something you will be seeing. So what you can do is, you can head over to the edit profile right under your username. You can tap on it like this and the edit profile opens up. So from here, you can scroll down and head over to music section. If this music is not available, there is most likely reason you have not updated your app to the latest version. So go ahead and update. Otherwise, that music option is not yet available in your region. So if it is available, you can tap on it like this and go ahead and select up the music that you may want to add on your account like this. Select it, tap on this arrow, and you can select up the time range as well, like which part of the music you would like in your bio. So go ahead and tick on right after that is done and head back, save changes. You will be finding the music profile right beside your Threads username. So that is how you basically add music to your Instagram profile very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.